So my question is that what are the things that you can do to save your earth or save your environment? So you can just raise your hand and tell me one solution, okay? One thing that you can do to save your environment. So I'm starting with Raymond. Yes, Raymond.
Ma'am, we should plant more trees and we should not waste water.
We should plant more trees and we should not waste water. Okay, correct. Next one is Raman. Raman, please tell me one or two ways. Unmute, please. Raman. Yes, please. Tell me one or two ways. You muted yourself again. Yes, please.
Do not throw paper on the floor.
Okay, we should manage our garbage or trash properly. We should throw it in the dustbin. Okay, very well done. Next is Ekansh. Ekansh, tell me one or two ways. Yes, Ekansh, unmute.
What is the question?
What are the ways by which you can save your environment?
Ma'am, we should plant more trees.
Okay, that Raymond said already. We should plant more trees, we should save water, we should not throw garbage here and there. Any other thing that you can do?
Ma'am, we should not throw litter in the park.
In the park or in our surrounding. Okay, correct, beta. Sakshamani, any other beta, different solution. The condition is you are not supposed to repeat the solution given by other students. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Okay, think about it. You are unmuted. You can speak up anytime. Yes, Ishpreet.
Ma'am, my first point is to save natural resources. Use the 3 R's:
Okay.
recycle, reuse, and
Recycle, reuse, and reduce.
reduce.
Reduce. Okay, well done, beta. So, Nishtha, please tell me the full form of these 3 R's again. And you can tell me your point also. Yes, Nishtha.
Yeah, ma'am, my point is do not use plastic bag, use cloth bag or paper bag.
Okay, well done. We are not supposed to use plastic bags, okay, because we cannot just recycle them easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Somil, please tell me.
Avoid burning of firecrackers and coal.
Very well done, very well done. So we are not supposed to burst firecrackers because they pollute air. So we should stop air pollution also. So our topic is based on beta this thing. You have to just open your poem, page 109. Page 109, your literature book. Please open it quickly. So let me open the poem, beta. Just give me 1 minute. The name of the poem is My Frog Recycles All His Trash. My frog recycles all his trash. First of all, I'm just going to recite the poem, and after that, one student will recite it. Then we'll do the meaning of the poem, okay, explanation of the poem. And when I'll just explain the poem, you have to find out the answers. There are 4 question answers. B part on page number 110. You have to find out the answers also. So I'm going to just recite it, okay? So the name of the poem is My Frog Recycles All His Trash. My frog recycles all his trash. He eats organic food. He cares for the environment. He's quite the hipster dude. Reduce, reuse, recycle is the motto of my frog. He drives a solar powered car to cut back on the smoke. He helps endangered species and opposes climate change. He knows that since he's just a frog, this might seem kind of strange. but still he does his very best to keep our planet clean. He thinks it's only natural. He's proud of being green. Okay, so this was the recitation of the poem, and it's written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, Ken Nesbitt. Now you have to just recite the poem once more, and let me find out one student who will do it for me. Bhumika. Bhumika, please recite the
ma'am.
poem. Recite the poem, beta, quickly.
My frog
Hmm.
recycles all his trash. He eats organic food. He cares for the environment. He quite one second.
He's quite.
He's quite he just reduce, reuse, recycle is the motto of my frog. He drives a solar powered car to cut back on the
Smog.
smoke.
Smog.
He helps endangered species and climate change.
Change. Yes.
He knows that since he's just a frog, this might seem kind of strange, but he still he does his
Does.
very best does his very best to keep our planet clean. He thinks it's only natural. He's proud of being green.
Okay, well done. So, yes, everyone, now I'm going to explain it and you have to find out answers one by one. So, your task is to find out 4 answers given at page 110, B part. Okay, B need A and B both A and B. Okay, so I'm going to start now. My frog recycles all his trash. So, what is trash, Peter? Trash is something which is useless. Okay, rubbish, useless. So my frog doesn't throw his trash, he just recycles it. Recycles means to use something, okay, to make it usable again. So what does it do? It doesn't throw the things away, it recycles the trash. He eats organic food. So what type of food he eats? Organic. Organic means it's written bit at the bottom, produced without using chemical fertilizers. So there are no chemicals on it. Okay. So generally, what do beta some of the farmers do? They just spray the chemicals on the crops. So what type of food the frog eats? He eats organic food without any chemical fertilizer. He cares for the environment. He is quite the hipster dude. Okay, hipster means someone who follows the trend or fashion, latest trends. So he is the hipster. He just follows the rule very nicely. He cares for the environment and he is the hipster dude. So he is the very fashionable frog and he follows the trend very nicely. Now, what is the motto of my frog? Motto means what does he think? Okay. So motto means written here a short sentence or phrase that shows a person's ideal. What we follow. For example, beta, hard work is the key to success. Hard work is the motto of my life. So what I think, okay, that is the motto. So what is the motto of the frog? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay. He drives a solar powered car. So he doesn't use petrol and diesel. Okay, because he knows that it's very harmful for an environment. So he uses car which is solar powered car. So he gets his energy from sun. Okay, the car gets its energy from sun to cut back on the smog. So he doesn't want that the smoke, okay, pollutes the environment. So he uses solar powered car. He helps endangered species. Endangered means at risk. Okay, there are some species like beta tiger in our country. So there few tigers are left. Maybe some hundreds of tigers are left, and what is happening to them? They are just disappearing day by day. So endangered means at risk. Species means the different kind of animals and plants. So he helps endangered species and opposes climate change. So he doesn't like climate change. That day by day, what is happening? The temperature of our earth is increasing, na? So he doesn't like this thing. So he opposes this thing. He knows that since he's just a frog, this might seem kind of strange. So he's thinking that people might think that I'm a little frog. What will happen if he will conserve environment? इसके effort से तो कुछ नहीं होगा, है ना? So he's thinking that people might think that I'm a little frog and it will not, I cannot help my environment. But according to frog, he can help his environment. So we all need to better put in effort to conserve our environment. We can't wait for 100 of or lakh of people to come together. We have to start it from our side. Okay? But still, he does his very best to keep our planet clean. So he always tries his best to keep the environment clean. He thinks it's only natural. He's proud of being green. So he's proud of himself that he is green. Green means green is the good methods better. He always follows the method which keeps the environment clean. So this was the poem. Now it's your duty to now find out the answers of exercise A and B. Now I'm giving you just 1 minute to complete exercise A. You have to complete exercise A. True or false? And one more thing, if it is false, you have to tell me the correct answer also. If it is false, then you have to give me correct answer. Okay. So let me start with Harshika. Harshika, you are the first one on my screen. The frog recycles his trash and eats organic food. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Correct answer, beta. Everyone, please write down it's true. Next one is Saksham Mani. Yes, beta. The frog wants to destroy the environment. Is it true?
Ma'am, false.
This is false. And please do the correction also, beta. Tell me the sentence again to make it true. What is the mistake in the sentence?
The frog doesn't want to
Destroy. Okay, fine. So your answer is false, everyone. So he just made correction that he doesn't want to destroy the environment. You can simply say he wants to conserve the environment. Okay. Okay. Next one is Sana. Sana, number 3. The frog helps the endangered species. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am, true.
Okay, true. This is true. So I'm going to repeat the answer. Number 1 is true. Number 2, false. Number 3, true again. Next one is Arav Bhardwaj. Arav, number 4.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Number 4. He does not like to keep the planet clean. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the correct answer then.
He likes to keep the planet clean.
He likes to keep the planet
He
clean.
likes.
Okay. So everyone, number 4 is false. Okay. Raymond, number 5. He feels proud of being green.
It's true.
It's true. Okay. So in case you have left something, I'm again better going to repeat the answers. Number 1 is true. Second is false. Then true, false, true. Okay. True, false, true, false, true. So I'm moving to B part. We are going to discuss it here and then you have to just do it in your fair notebooks. I'm giving you 2-3 days. You can just do it in your fair notebook. What is the motto of the frog? Rachit. Wait, I think I have unmuted Somil.
Ma'am, the motto of the frog is reuse, recycle, and reduce.
Okay, correct answer. So everyone, page number 109, second stanza, first 2 lines. Page 109, second stanza, first 2 lines. reduce, reuse, recycle is the motto of the frog. Don't write my frog, the frog. Next is Somil. Somil, please tell me the second answer. What kind of car does it drive? Why does it do so?
He drives a solar powered car to reduce the smoke from the air.
To reduce the, repeat your answer, to reduce
The smog of the air.
to reduce the okay, to reduce the smoke beta which pollutes the air. Okay, so I'm going to underline it. You can just simply write beta, this is your first answer. Okay, reduce, reuse is the this one. This is your answer number 1, and this is your answer number 2. This thing, he drives a solar powered car, and reason is written here also, to cut back on the smog. You can just simply write this thing. Okay. Now next question is, what does the frog oppose? What does the frog oppose? Let me find out one student. Bhumika, please tell me the answer. What
Ma'am,
does
please
the,
repeat the question.
what does the frog oppose?
The frog oppose climate change. He knows that since he's just a frog, this might seem kind of strange.
Okay, no need, beta, that is extra information. No need of that. You can just simply write the frog opposes climate change. Okay, this is your
Okay,
answer
ma'am.
number 3. So the frog opposes. Everyone, you have to write the word opposes. Don't write oppose. With singular, you have to use S or ES. Opposes. Now, question number 4. The frog keeps the planet clean by recycling his trash. How do you help to keep the environment clean? If you just remember, in the beginning, I just asked you this question. Anna, how to keep your environment clean and how to conserve your earth, and you people gave me answer that we should reduce the use of water, we should save trees. Okay, so you have to do this answer yourself. Try to make 3 to 4 lines of your notebook. You can simply write that 3 to 4 lines, okay, in front of it, and you have to do it yourself. Answer number 4. Now there's one thing you have to do on book only, page number 111. 111. You have to find out the rhyme scheme of the stanza. Okay? So for example, I'm just talking about the last stanza, you can see on your screen. But still he does his very best. So last word is best. Okay? Next is clean. Next is natural. ये तीनों ही आपस में मैच नहीं कर रहे है ना, इनकी जो साउंड है it doesn't match, right? So we'll write A, best, clean. So they are not related. Natural is again a different word. Now next word is green. Now think that green किसके साथ match कर रहा है? Best, clean or natural? The sound of green. Who will tell me? Yes, Adnan.
Ma'am, natural.
Natural green. You sure बेटा sound match कर रही है? Natural green.
Ma'am, clean.
Clean green. Yes, clean and green. So the sound matches here. So what you will write? Green matches with B. So your answer is B. So your rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. Okay. Now you got it. How to find out the rhyme scheme? You have to just give it the alphabet, and then you have to just see that with which word it matches. A, B, C, B. Okay? So you can just write down on your books only that rhyme scheme of the stanzas is A, B, C, B. You understood how to find out the rhyme scheme? Yes, Sana. Sana, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the end of the poem and back exercise also. So now we have still 5 minutes left. I'm thinking that I'll give you just 3-4 words and you have to find out the rhyme scheme. Okay? We'll play one game. You have to find out the rhyme scheme. So I'm giving you 2-3 words. Okay? So first word is okay. These are the 5 words. What you have to do, you have to find out the rhyme scheme. Anyone? Hriday, please, can you tell me the rhyme scheme?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, AABB.
Yes, well done. AABB, because first 2 words match with each other. So we'll just write down the same alphabet with them. Trash, crash, they are the same sounds, right? So you will write AA. And bite, kite, they are also same. So this is BB. Okay, next one. Okay. So who will tell me this? Himang.
Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning. So what is the rhyme scheme, beta?
Ma'am, A B A B.
Okay, A, B, A, B. Okay, well done. So why A, B, A, B? Because beta, trash and crash, they match with each other. But what happens? There is one word between them, bite. So A, B, A, B. Okay? Okay, the next one, the last one maybe. Now who will tell me? Ashima. Ashima, please tell me, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. What is the rhyme scheme? Bite, trash, crash, kite.
Ma'am, the rhyme scheme is AB. Oh, sorry, ma'am. BABA.
You have to start with it A, beta. Now repeat your answer. A.
ABBA.
Okay, well done. A, B, B, A. So I hope beta now you just come to know that how to find the rhyme scheme of the poem. Okay. So still we have 3 minutes. So last one is I'm writing here trash, bite, piece. Next one is frog. Yes. Now Ekansh. Ekansh, tell me the rhyme scheme. Is there any rhyme scheme?
Ma'am, A
Mhm.
B C D.
Yes, so basically there is no rhyme scheme in it. All the words are different. So yes. So this is the end of the poem. This is end of the back exercise. Now you can raise your hand and you can ask me question if you have any. So you can lower your hands if you have just raised it for giving answer. Only those students will raise hand who are having questions. So you can ask your question one by one. Bhumika, any doubt, beta?
Ma'am, no.
No doubt? Okay. So I think you people are so perfect that you are not having any kind of doubt. Okay, Nishtha. Nishtha, any doubt, beta?
यस मैम मैम जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपने बोला कि हमने खुद करना है तो मैम उसके अंदर हमने कितने पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं
Beta, first of all, you have to write it in paragraph form, okay? Because in English, we don't use the point system that number 1 is this, number 2 is this. No, you have to write it in paragraph form and 3 to 4 lines of your notebook. Okay, 4 lines of your notebook. Okay, 50 words, maybe 50 to 60 words. Next is Ishtpreet. Yes, Ishtpreet?
Ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Kavan. Kavan, yes. No doubt. Kavan, unmute, then ask your question. Raman. Hridaypreet? Yes, Raman.
मैम राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं मैम ये फेयर कॉपी में लिखने हैं
No need, beta. Do it on book only. No need to write in fair. So next is Hriday. Yes, Hriday, your question?
ओके
Ma'am, we have to write only question answers in our fair notebook.
Yes, beta. Only question answers because word meanings you have to directly learn it from the book. Okay? No need to write.
Ma'am, or make sentence.
That again, beta. No need. You have to just note down the question answers and just word meanings. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, beta. Next is Ekansh. Ekansh, your doubt. We have just 10 seconds left. Yes, Ekansh. Unmute, beta. Unmute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, 1 minute.
We don't have 1 minute, beta. Just we have 10 seconds. No. Raymond, quickly ask your question if you have.
No, ma'am, actually, I don't know how it got raised. Sorry.
No problem. Next is Adnan. Adnan, you are the last one, beta, who's having doubt. Yes, beta.
मैम जो राइमिंग स्कीम है मैम ये हमेशा सेंटेंस के लास्ट से ही ली जाती है
Yes, beta. Last me. From the last one.
ओके मैम थैंक यू मैम
Welcome. Beta. So everyone, this is the end of the meeting. So it's 10:40 and now do it in your fair notebook. Take care the whole thing, the question answers. I'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Bye, beta.